welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best delicious fried rice at home that you can enjoy it on a quick night or family get together. It's so quick and delicious, and trust me, you're going to love it. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video and join this beautiful family. So without wasting my time, let's jump right in. So what I have here is a day-old cooked rice. But if you don't have a leftover rice, you can just cook it. Also remember to use a long grain rice because it is less sticky and will be a lot easy to stir fry. So with me here is 1 cup of jasmine rice, which I've already washed it nicely about 3 times. And also to cook the rice, try not to add too much water, okay? Trust me on this, you're going to get the perfect texture. So once the rice is cooked, you're going to let it cool down a bit so that any excess steam can evaporate, okay? All right. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. I have some green onions, some sweet onions, carrots, and some eggs. So I'll start off by cracking my eggs, okay? We'll go ahead to whisk it together, then set it aside. Next is to prep our veggies. So I'm going to thinly slice in some 3 green onions. So I'm going to separate the white and the green, okay? The white, we'll use it to stir fry and infuse the oil. And the greens, I'm going to use it as my garnishing, okay? Next, we'll also dice my carrots. Once that is done, I'm going to smash 3 cloves of garlic, then chop them into smaller pieces. And lastly, I'm going to finely dice half an onion. Sometimes I love onions in my fried rice, so you can totally omit it if you don't like onions, okay? So I love to make my sauce before I start cooking. In a small bowl, I'll add in a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and half teaspoon of brown sugar, okay? We'll give it a good mix, then set it aside. So we are all set and we are ready to cook. But before that, I'll break down the rice so that it will be easy to maneuver when I'm doing the fried rice. In a large wok, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil and we'll allow it to heat up. But if you don't have the wok, you don't have to worry. You can use your frying pan, okay? You can still get a perfect result with your regular pan. So just use whatever you have, okay? Once the oil is hot enough, we'll pour in the eggs and cook it for 30 seconds, okay? When the eggs are almost done, we'll remove them from the wok and set it aside. Now, to the same wok, over a high heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll throw in my onions, the white part of the green onions, garlic, then saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, we'll add in my carrots and my green beans. We'll also saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Once that is also done, we'll add in my cooked rice and give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. Now we'll go ahead to pour in the sauce around the edges and wait for it to caramelize, okay? This will give you a nice smoky flavor. Just about 20 seconds. So 20 seconds, we'll stir fry it all together, making sure the rice is well mixed. 2 minutes later, the rice is completely coated. We'll add in my eggs back into the wok and then break the eggs into little pieces and toss them together for about a minute or two. Wow, my house smells amazing. Okay, so for extra heat, I'm going to add in some black pepper, then mix it together. So once it is perfectly done, we'll turn off the heat and add in my green onions. Give it a gentle stir, and guys, that's about it. Looks so delicious and very easy to do. Nelekona chicken pakpako no shin. Hey, abaleke. Alominoke. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. If you want to see more recipes like this, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for more deliciousness. Please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.